Hello, this is Nate from MMI, and today I would like to talk to you about one of my favorite products from Watco Manufacturing, the Universal NuFit. Now, this kit can cover a contractor in just about any situation they could walk into when it comes to replacing a tub drain, especially ones that are corroded, damaged, or missing the stopper, or just plain ugly. The Universal NuFit Kit is available with a 1-hole overflow, 2-hole overflow, or my personal favorite, the Innovator overflow. You can also order specific kits for specific needs, but I like this one since it covers every scenario in just one kit. Now, this specific kit comes with everything you see here: the stopper, available with or without a grid drain, 3 pins with 4 thread size options. We have a 3/8 and 5/16 brass pin, a 1/4-20, and a number 10 to 24 brass pin. You get the overflow and you get a packet of silicone. Now, let's say you're a contractor and you show up to a job to replace a corroded, nasty old tub drain like this example. Oftentimes the crossbars in here are broken, or the strainer body itself is fused into the tub shoe and it's just impossible to remove. This is one of the most frustrating things because it makes an otherwise easy job much more difficult and time consuming. With the Universal NuFit, you don't have to worry about any of those issues stopping you from getting your customer back up to snuff with a beautiful new tub drain. So if the crossbars are intact, simply choose the correct pin per the thread size of the strainer body and attach the stopper. So for this example, we're going to use the 3/8 and 5/16. We're going to thread it onto the bottom of our stopper, and we're just going to thread it into the strainer body, the old, ugly, nasty strainer body. Right there. Now you can just step back and admire your work because you're done. It's that simple. Now, if the crossbars are broken, no problem. You just use the packet of silicone provided with the kit, forego a pin, and just seal the new stopper down over the old one. So, you open up the silicone, apply, seal, and the customer is going to want to give it about 3 hours to fully cure before using the bath. But there you go. There you go. Again, you're done. Brand new, beautiful stopper. Replace the old one without actually having to wrestle this one out. Now, as far as replacing the overflow, the Innovator style really couldn't be any easier. You just take this crossbar, use it to pin the star nut to the tub using whatever hole configuration you have available, be it a 1-hole or 2-hole. Use the screws that you just took out of the old one and just pin the star nut onto the overflow for the tub. Take your Innovator overflow and snap it on, and you're done. Now, think of all the scenarios this kit would come in handy. Let's say the homeowner is replacing the faucets in the bathroom and needs a tub drain kit to match. Watco actually offers the Universal NuFit in 9 different finishes. So you don't have to worry about doing any major plumbing just to replace a tub drain when a customer changes out the faucets in their home. Maybe somebody is building a home and they just can't make up their mind as to what color faucet they want to go with. This kit makes it easy to change finishes due to last-minute change orders, again, because we have so many colors available. Just stocking this kit, even in chrome, brushed nickel, and oil rub bronze, would cover a multitude of scenarios. So really just covers everything you could possibly need when going to replace a tub drain. As always, reach out with any questions you may have and let us know how we can help. Thanks for your time.